I've already moisturized my skin, so what I'm going to do next is go in with the IL MAKIAGE No Filter Poreless Smoothing Primer. How pretty is the packaging? So yeah, as this video suggests, these are all first impressions, so I don't know what to expect really. So I'm just going to take that on the back of my hand, and I like to use my fingers when priming, as I can really feel like where my skin will need it more. So I like to start sort of in the center of my face and blend out. Like if you see any redness, that's just how my skin is. Like when I moisturize, I go so pink after. It feels nice. I do like the feeling of this on my skin. It feels very velvety and smooth, and I feel like it has smoothed my complexion. I'm going to fill it in my brow using the brow pen in Truffles. To now conceal the underneaths of my brows because I want them looking nice and clean. So I'm using the I'm Flawless Multi-Use Perfecting Concealer. Using it in the shade 3.5. When I selected this concealer, I did go for a considerably lighter concealer compared to my complexion, as I'm going to be later using this to brighten my under eyes. I've just brought that concealer down onto my lid. It is a quite buildable concealer, so I like that I can get more coverage with it by applying a bit more. I'm going to be using the IL MAKIAGE Call the Shots palette. I've got the Mineral Break bronzer because it's nice and warm. I might actually use this as a transition shade. I'm just following the natural contours of my crease. I'm going to use the Morphe E118 brush now, using this darkest shade of the palette called FLIRT. And yeah, I'm going to use this in the outer V. So I can see there's no fallout with this palette so far anyway. So that's good. This brown shimmery shade called Scandal. I'm just going to pack that onto my lid. Oh, I like that, really pretty. Multi-dimensional eye colour in Wanted, so it looks like this. I'm going to use that as like my eyeliner because I want it quite soft instead of a harsh liquid one. As I want that sort of seamless blend. I'm just going to go in along my bottom lash line with No and Wanted, both sort of mixed. Just going to pop on some lashes, and these are the Kiss Products lashes in MUSE. I'm going to use the Huda Beauty eyeliner in my waterline. Now the bit I'm most excited about, foundation. So as you can, I've not used it, I'm literally gonna open it now. They have an online quiz. You complete the online quiz and they'll suggest you the best foundation tone for you, so you get like an ideal match. I'm not sure if it's gonna match because I've not tested it yet, but I love the bottle, and mine is, I got matched for 105, and this is their Woke Up Like This foundation, 112 DUO-FIBRE multitasking brush. It has an angled shape, it's nice, I like it. We'll see how it applies the foundation. Pump it on the back of my hand. Okay, oh, I wish I didn't have other products on my hand, but it looks like it matches the back of my hand perfectly, which is quite shocking. Okay, let's do this then. No, do you see that? It it's the same colour as my skin. Like, no, I don't even know what to say right now. Like, hang on, I need a close-up. No, that is my skin colour. That is like second skin right now. Oh my god. I'm gonna apply it to half my face. So as you can see, it's covering up the pinkness in my cheeks, which I've still got from applying like my lotions and stuff. It's like a perfect shade. Apply that to my forehead where you can see that redness a bit more clearly. That's crazy. That is actually so crazy right now. So this is half my face with the IL MAKIAGE foundation, and that's no foundation. My neck is darker than my actual face, so it matched perfectly. It matches perfectly. I cannot fault this foundation color wise. It's the same, you can see a nice shine, which I like. It's like a dewy matte. I'm trying to see how good it's picking up on the monitor, but no, I'm actually so impressed. So I'm just going to do the other side now. Matting. Like, just look. I was not expecting that, honestly I should. Now my entire face apart from my nose, I haven't got to my nose yet, and this little section of my forehead have the foundation on. So coverage wise, crazy. It's actually crazy. It's buildable, which I like, so you can get away with a very natural look. Conceal these horrendous eye bags that I've got going on. So yeah, I'm going to use that same Flawless concealer. It's shade 3.5. I'm just going to dot that under. This shade is very similar to my Kevin Aquan SX07, I believe. Actually, yeah, I should test it on the back of my hand. So that's that there. So they're very similar, so I hope this turns out good. Morphe M200 brush looks like this. I'm going to use my beauty blender and just push that in. So just going in with it on the back of my hand and dabbing into it with my beauty blender. See, it's buildable, it's very buildable. And I'm going to bring that down the side of my nose a bit, and then the back of my beauty blender buff here, so it's more of a seamless blend. I'm going to just set that now with my Huda Beauty POUNDCAKE loose powder. And I'm packing it on with a Real Techniques beauty sponge. When I'm taking off my baking, I like to push it into my skin rather than just sweeping it off, because I want that coverage from it. Okay, girl. Okay, I'm happy with that. Very happy. To just soften out my under eyes a bit, because that concealer has, like, I have shifted it higher up than I wanted it to go. That's fine. We can smoke that out again. I feel like a Barbie doll. I'm so pretty thanks to IL MAKIAGE. Makiage. I hope I'm even pronouncing that right. I'm so pretty now, thank you. I've gone into a catfish before I've even finished. Waka Waka Mineral Break Bronzer. And this is gonna contour with it. I love it. Can you see how happy I am with how my makeup's coming out? Like, I am so gassed. Okay, I'm gonna use the bronzer. Please blend out. Please blend out. I've also got the Mineral Baked Highlighter, and we got that in good as hell, because we good. We good. We good. We're good as hell. It looks like this. I pray this highlighter is so good. Highlighter for me is everything. I've got a new highlighter. I'm good, I'm good. We got good as hell. This is gonna be my new favourite. Please don't eat your heart out. No, guys. Look, I didn't even make any effort to put that on. I just sweep and look. Just sweeping my house, looking like this. I think there's a fly in the room. I think there's a fly in the room. My bad. It's just a reflection on the walls. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'd just like to thank IL MAKIAGE, the scientists that they have that created this highlighter, the minerals they found to even come up with this. I like to just thank them all. I like to thank the makeup brushes that I'm using right now. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I'm going mad, I know. But things that make me happy make me mad. Such as like, oh, wow, that was effortless. Forget that. Forget it. Forget it. I'm just using my usual Peachy Love Blush Trio in the shade Miami, which is a bit of an orangey shade because I like looking at umpa-lumpa-ish. Oh, I haven't even done mascara, so we're going to use the Icon Mascara by IL MAKIAGE. It's a high volume and intense curl mascara. I'm going to apply that to my lower lashes. Let's see this. Lovely. The lip liner I chose is their waterproof lip liner in Coffee. These are the two lip products that I chose. Their Longwear matte lip creams is Matte FLIRT and Matte Geisha. So that one's Matte Geisha and that's Matte FLIRT. And thank you, this packaging. I swatch them on the back of my hands and then choose which one I'm going to go with. So this is FLIRT. I like FLIRT. Geisha. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, we're going for FLIRT. Come on, hands down, FLIRT. Can you see how my personality changes completely once I've got makeup on? I feel like a whole new woman. Oh, me? Stop it. Stop. I know. Such a good, gorgeous colour. It's just me, darling. I woke up like this. I did, because that's what the foundation is called, so I'm not lying. This is what waking up like this looks. Oh, you again, stop. Stop it. Stop it, you. Listen, just let me gas myself. Oh, hey. we're going to finish off now with the IL MAKIAGE Hydrating Spray. She smells pretty. This is the completed look. I'm so happy with how it turned out. It does get scary sometimes trying out new products, especially for the first time. I am 100% one of those people. Just try new things, you can be pleasantly surprised. Foundation, never tried in my life. Beautiful, buildable coverage, it matches my skin. Do try out the online quiz that they have. Try and be as accurate as possible. Like, I did the quiz, like, I know you can get a bit confused because you're selecting pictures. I did the quiz twice. So I did it the first time, selected the images that I thought looked closest to me, got matched to 105. I did it again because the first time I did it, I was in two minds, like, is this one more my skin tone, is that one more my skin tone? So I did it again with the second image I thought was probably closer to my skin, and again it matched me to this foundation. So don't be too afraid, give it a try. I love it, it's buildable. I know for a fact 100% I will be purchasing this foundation. I can see the quality of it, but this, I will be mixing this into my lotions, moisturizers, making a BB cream out of it because of how great the color is to my skin tone. My first impressions of everything, loved it. The concealer, it's not one of those sheer, like, you can see I've not color corrected, I've not, you know, I've not set this with anything really highly pigmented. I've just used a bit of my POUNDCAKE Huda Beauty powder. There's nothing, what you see is what you get at the end of the day with this. Eyeshadows, nice, blendable, buildable. I honestly don't have any complaints. I did, by the way, receive this. This is a paid partnership, but all the views are my own and 100% honest on those two. I'll probably do another look using these products, and because I really want to try out the geisha lipstick. Yeah, I am so happy with how this has turned out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Contacts are my own brand, they're in the shade Iridise, and my hair is a lovely grey and it still looks quite fresh. This was coloured by Stunner's Hair and Beauty on Instagram. I'll tag them below too. And my top is just a bodysuit from Pretty Little Thing. I think that's everything that I might have to talk to you about. But yeah, take it easy, love you, stay safe, stay home, and I'll be back